What we have this morning is a 1978 Ferrari 308 GTB. Beautiful classic car, and we'll be winching this up onto my deck today. She's got a little bit of an oil leak, and I don't want to risk causing any more damage. Well, I guess we'll push her out. I'll go get my truck and back her into the alley here. The gentleman was very nice. We walked up to where he has the car parked in the garage, across the street from his house. He informed me that this is his childhood dream car, which he actually saved up for, and lo and behold, he's got her now. Ooh, she's heavy. That should do it right there. I'll let the winch do the rest. I'm gonna go grab my truck. I will be right back. It's a beautiful car. I'm using my, what I like to call now, my res ramps. Now, because we don't have anywhere to be able to use a tow hook on this, I'm going to be using my straps. I like my straps on cars like this because it will not cause any damage. I want the hook to be a little bit further away from the car. So we've got the hook fairly good distance away from the car, so it's not going to cause any damage to the car. I attached to the control arms.
Okay. You want me inside to steer, or is it okay like that?
No, it's okay like that. I'm just gonna end up going back and forth to do the steering.
You want me to do the steering?
If you'd like.
It's up to you.
If you want, you can just straighten out the wheels for me a bit. Slow and steady, and she comes up nice and safe. Now we just strap down the wheels. I'll take very good care of her. You did see this, right?
Oh yeah, little scratches. Okay.
Other than that, I think that's all I've seen.
Yeah, it should be in good shape otherwise.
All right.
Okay, man.
Have yourself a great day.
Thanks.
And have a good weekend as well.
You too.
So anytime we have a car on our decks, 4 points of contact. We get one strap onto each wheel. This one I happen to have 5 points of contact because I have left my winch attached to the bridle. So there's absolutely no chance of this car moving anywhere. So now that we've got the car loaded, we'll be taking the car over there, unloading it, and letting the mechanics over there take their time and fix her up for him so he can have his baby back.